So we have seen it's a structure, and in that structure we have seen the cooling jackets are provided to absorb the heat which is going to be produced in the compression process. compression process में एयर को या गैस को प्रेशराइज करने की वजह से उसका जो टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है, जो हीट एक्सर्ट होती है, वो हीट एब्सॉर्ब करने के लिए कूलिंग जैकेट का मैकेनिज्म हम कंप्रेसर में लगाते हैं. We have discussed up to this part. Okay, so now I request you, you have drawn this figure in your notebook, then please write down the construction of single acting reciprocating pump. Write down construction. First point, rub it, don't write first point, only write single acting reciprocating compressor. Single acting reciprocating compressor. Single acting reciprocating compressor. Single acting reciprocating compressor consist of following elements. Consist of following elements. Consist of following elements. Following elements. Number 1, crank and connecting rod mechanism. 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 Due to crank and connecting rod mechanism. Due to crank and connecting rod mechanism. Due to crank and connecting rod mechanism. Rotary motion of crank. Rotary motion of crank. Rotary motion of crank. Rotary motion of crank is converted into reciprocating motion of the piston. 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 Okay. Point number 2, piston cylinder arrangement. 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 Write down. Piston reciprocates inside the cylinder. 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 Point number 3, inlet and outlet port. 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 Inlet port is the inlet port is the inlet port is the opening. Inlet port is the opening through which air or gas enters into the cylinder. Enters into the cylinder. Enters into the cylinder. Enters into the cylinder. Exit port exit port is another opening of the compressor, another opening of the compressor through which high pressurized air or gas is coming out. Fourth point, suction valve and delivery valve. Suction valve and delivery valve. Suction valve and delivery valve. Suction valve is present. Suction valve is present suction valve is present at suction port at suction port and delivery valve is present not through, at exit port. At exit port. At exit port. Exit port. Next, cooling jacket. It is a cubular structure. It is a cubular structure. It is
the spelling
CUBULAR.
डबल सांगा सर जरा.
कूलिंग जॅकेट त्याच्यामध्ये क्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज अ क्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर थ्रू which water is circulated around the cylinder, to absorb the heat generated during the compression process called as cooling jacket. Cooling jacket. Okay. So this was the construction of this reciprocating compressor. Now I want to show you, or I want to explain you its a working process.
सर क्लियरेंस स्पेस क्या है सर? क्लियरेंस स्पेस सर.
Yes, I am going to tell you during the working of this single acting reciprocating compressor. Okay. So when this piston will move TDC to BDC, TDC means top dead center to BDC is nothing but the bottom dead center. TDC to BDC means when your piston is moving in the downward direction. Okay, in one stroke this piston is moving in a downward direction, नीचे की तरफ जब piston जाता है, so what going to be happen, this particular suction wall which is shown upside down at a suction side is going to be get open. ये जो है ये पार्ट नीचे आ जाता है, and when it is going to get open, then through suction side air will be taken inside the cylinder. ये जब ओपन हो जाता है तो यहां से और यहां से एयर इस सिलेंडर के अंदर आ जाती है. ओके, नाउ in the first stroke, when piston will move from the top position to bottom position, air is taken inside, and when the first stroke is going to be completed, then piston will move in upside direction. Piston will move in upside direction, means from bottom dead center to the top dead center. During that process, the air which is trapped in the cylinder is pushed with the help of the piston mechanism. जो एयर सक्शन वॉल के थ्रू सिलेंडर में आई है उसे क्या किया जाता है, पिस्टन से मूव किया जाता है, अपलिफ्ट किया जाता है, एंड डेफिनेटली its pressure is going to be increased when we are pressing that air, when we are pushing that air with the help of the piston, its pressure is going to be get increased. Due to that pressure, what is going to be happen, this particular suction wall is going to get closed, and as air is moving in upward direction, this delivery wall will open, and when delivery wall will open, the air will, means pressurized air will come out through this delivery side. Understand? A very simple mechanism. जब TDC to BDC पिस्टन मूव हो जाता है तो वैक्यूम जनरेट होता है, वैक्यूम की वजह से ये जो पिन है, सक्शन वॉल है, सक्शन वॉल नीचे आ जाता है, ओपन हो जाता है, और एयर उस सक्शन वॉल के थ्रू सक की जाती है सिलेंडर चेंबर के अंदर. जब पिस्टन बीडीसी से टीडीसी की ओर जाता है, यानी कि बॉटम टू टॉप कंडीशन, एट दैट टाइम the suction wall is getting closed and delivery wall is getting open. Understand? And through that delivery wall, all the air which is already pressurized, that air is just passed through the delivery port. So this is a simple mechanism of the structure. It is happening only one side of your piston, and that's why it is known as single acting reciprocating pump, or it is known as single stage reciprocating pump. Okay, I have recently explained to you the total working of your compressor, and this compressor and the compressions are utilized to pressurize the air, and the air which is taken out from the delivery side, it has been utilized for the different applications. I think this is more than sufficient explanation regarding with single acting reciprocating compressor. So only one side of the piston air is present, and that's why it is known as a single acting reciprocating pump. Compressor. Okay, write down working. Due to crank and connecting rod mechanism, rotary motion will be converted into reciprocating motion of the piston. In this case, cylinder is vertical.
सर मागची लाईन सांगाय.
Motion will be converted into reciprocating motion. Of the piston. In this case, cylinder is vertical. Full stop. Topmost position of the piston, is called as TDC. And lowermost position of the piston is called as BDC.
Sir, repeat the line.
Hello?
Line पुन्हा एकदा repeat करा sir. Disconnect झालतं.
Piston is called as TDC, and lowermost position of the piston is called as BDC. Okay. Point number 2. Let's consider that piston is moving from TDC to BDC. Piston is moving from TDC to BDC. Full stop. Vacuum is created inside the cylinder. Vacuum is created inside the cylinder, which is called as suction stroke. In which air or gas is sucked into the cylinder through suction port and suction valve. Suction valve.